With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here has certain statements and we have to select the right option, seeing the correct statements. So the first statement is that spleen is a large bean-shaped organ which mainly contains lymphocytes and phagocytic cells. While we see, yes, spleen is a secondary lymphoid organ and this is the organ where the actual reaction of the antigen and the antibody will take place. So along with the spleen, acting as a secondary lymphoid organ, it also acts as a graveyard of RBCs. That means after 120 days lifespan, the RBCs will come and get disintegrated in this organ, and along with this it also acts as a reservoir of erythrocytes. So whenever RBCs are less in number in the blood, the sequestration of the spleen will help in putting more RBCs into the blood and thus maintain the RBC number. So this option which is given here is the correct one. The second statement here says that the principle of vaccination is based on the property of the memory of the immune system. This is also true because in the vaccination there is a weakened or attenuated pathogen which is put inside the body. This pathogen is going to stimulate the immune system of the body, and by stimulating the immune system it is going to form the antibodies as well as the memory cells will be formed. These memory cells are kept in store in the secondary lymphoid organs such as spleen and lymph nodes, and it is used for the subsequent exposure by the same kind of pathogen, and also it is going to fight with the antigen which we have put inside, right? So this is completely based on the memory of the immune system. That means whenever there is second exposure, these memory cells which are kept in store will recognize the antigen in a very short amount of time and will quickly respond to it. The third option here says that the graft rejected or failure of an organ transplantation is due to the cell-mediated immunity. While we have two types of immunity, that is the antibody-mediated immune system, which is mediated by the B lymphocytes, and then we have the cell-mediated immune system, which is mediated by the T lymphocytes. So here we see that the cell-mediated immunity is associated with the cells or the tissues of the body. So this is the one which is helpful for the graft rejection. For that matter, whenever a person is given any graft, it may be kidney graft or it may be skin graft or anything, to prevent the chances of graft rejection, there are certain immunosuppressants given, and these immunosuppressants are going to act on the T lymphocytes to suppress them so that it is not able to recognize it as a foreign body. So this statement is correct one. Now it says, the fourth statement says that the yellowish fluid colostrum has abundance of IgA antibodies which provide active immunity to the newborn babies. This statement is wrong because the yellowish colored thick fluid, that is the liquid which is produced by the mammary gland in the first 4 to 5 days after parturition, no doubt it is a rich source of immunoglobulin A, but it does not give active immunity. It gives natural passive immunity to the baby, because active immunity is that immunity in which the body itself produces the antibodies, but here the baby is being imparted ready-made antibodies by the mother. So here only option 1, 2 and 3 are correct. So we can mark option number 1 as a right answer for this question, while the other options which are given here are the wrong ones. So let's mark this answer as a correct answer. This is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.